Hi students, we were going through the 5th chapter of your English grammar book on page number 35. So today we will continue that chapter. Before going to start this class, let us revise whatever we have seen in the previous class. Do you remember what is pronoun? Pronoun means sarvanam. Pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns to avoid the repetition. Pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns to avoid the repetition. सर्वनाम जो शब्द है we use in place of noun, संज्ञा के जगह पर किया जाता है. For what? To avoid the repetition of nouns. To avoid the repetition of nouns. Dear students, then we have seen that which are the common pronouns. I, me, you, him, she, her, we, us, they, them, it, this, that, etc. Now we will see the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be in the first person, second person and third person. First person, they refer to the person speaking. They refer to the person speaking. That means जो बोलने वाला. Which are the first persons? I, me, we, us. I, me, we, us. For example, may we have some more juice, please? Here, who is speaking? We. Next, second person. They refer to the person being spoken to. They refer to the person being spoken to. That means जो सुनने वाला. जो सुनने वाला. They refer to the person being spoken to. Which is the second person? You. For example, this sweater looks like it would fit you. This sweater looks like it would fit you. Next, third person. They refer to the person being spoken of. They refer to the person being spoken of. That means जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Which are the third persons? He, she, them, they, it. See, third person. They refer to the person being spoken of. He, she, them, they, it. For example, they will attend the conference. Now, please come on page number 36. Once again, I repeat, we use I, me and mine when we mean ourselves or a single person. That means the person who is speaking. We use I, me and my when we mean ourselves for a single person. And we and us are used for two or more persons. We and us are used for two or more persons. So dear students, I, me, mine, we and us are pronouns of the first person. Which are the pronouns of the first person? I, me, mine, we and us are the pronouns of the first person. First person means the person who is speaking, जो बात कर रहे हैं. For example, I want to go to the museum. Please wait for me. Here, which are the pronouns used there? I and me. That is first person singular. Okay, first person singular. I, me. Yes, we want to go to the museum. Please wait for us. Which are the pronouns used there? We and us. It means first person plural. First person plural. Next, we use you and yours to refer to the person to whom we are speaking. किससे बात कर रहे हैं? We use you and yours to refer to the person to whom we are speaking. These are the pronouns of the second person. These are the pronouns of the second person. Which are the pronouns of the second person? You, yours. For example, I have packed my bag. Have you packed yours? Have you packed yours? That is the person to whom we are speaking. I have packed my bag. Have you packed yours? Which are the pronouns used there? I, you, yours. Second person. Which are the pronouns of the second person? You and yours. Next, we use the pronouns he, him, she, her, it to talk about one person. To talk about one person. We use pronouns he, him, she, her, it to talk about one person. We use they, them and theirs to talk about more than one person. They, them, theirs to talk about more than one person. These are the pronouns of the third person. Which are the pronouns of the third person? He, him, she, her, it, they, them, theirs. These are the pronouns of the third person. See, we use pronoun it for a place or an animal or a thing. किसी भी वस्तु, जानवर या जगह के लिए कौन सा pronoun यूज करते हैं? It. For example, Leela is my friend. She returns library books on time. She means Leela. Other students also return theirs on time. The library is big. It is full of books. It means the library, the place. Now we will go through the exercise. First one, pick the correct sentences in each pair. Asim knows he can play well. Asim knows he can play well. Which is the correct sentence? Yes, the second one is the correct sentence. So you have to tick there. Next, I think it is Sony's car. Next one, I think they is Sony's car. Which is the correct sentence? Yes, the first one is the correct sentence. I think it is Sony's car. So please tick there. Third one, are them here? Are they here? Which is the correct sentence? Yes, the second one is the correct sentence. Are they here? So please tick there. Fourth one, when will we get our results? हमारा रिजल्ट कब मिलेंगे? Next, when will us get our results? Which is the correct sentence? Yes, the first one is the correct one. When will we get our results? So please tick there. Fifth one, I can play the violin. Can yours? I can play the violin. Can you? Which is the correct sentence? Yes, the second one is the correct one. I can play the violin. Can you? So tick there. Next one, the teacher gave these books to me. The teacher gave this book to I. Which is the correct one? Yes, the first one is the correct one. The teacher gave these books to me. So please tick there. Next one, fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the brackets. In the bracket, it's given the option. Ira is in the park. Her, she. These are the options. Dash is playing with balloons. Which is the correct one? She. She is playing with balloons. Ira is in the park. She is playing with balloons. So please tick she. Next one. Are dash from Pune or Nasik? In the bracket it is given I and you. Which is the correct one? You. Are you? Are you from Pune or Nasik? So please tick you. Next, Ansha and Dash are classmates. In the bracket it is given I and us. Which is the correct one? I. Ansha and I are classmates. Next, Ansha and I. What is the pronoun of that? We. We are also neighbors. We. So please tick we. We are also neighbors. Next one, fourth one. Indu and Jaya went to the book fair. Indu and Jaya. What is the pronoun of that? They. They bought interesting story books. So please tick the they. Next one, fifth one. The Indian cricket team played very well. The Indian cricket team played very well. Dash made Dash proud. They. Indian cricket team is plural. So they made us proud. Next, Kia's father bought dash a new bicycle. Kia's father bought her उनके लिए. Then dash loves riding dash. She loves riding it. It means bicycle. So she, that means Kia. She loves riding it. Dear students, now please move to the page number 38. The question is that rewrite the sentences correctly. Bala says that he never eats junk food. See, what is the correct sentence? Bala says that he never eats junk food. What is the pronoun of Bala? He. So we have to use he instead of him. Bala says that he never eats junk food. We never say him never eats. Instead we have to use he never eats. Bala says that he never eats junk food. Next one, we saw 4 lion cubs. Them were playing together. See, we saw 4 lion cubs. They were playing together. What is the pronoun of cubs? They. That means more than one. It is a plural. So we have to use they. They were playing together. Next, I am sure this eraser is not me. I am sure this eraser is not mine. Not me, not mine. Next, Deepan could not catch the ball. He dropped them. Deepan could not catch the ball. He dropped it. It means the ball, not them. What is the pronoun of the noun? The ball, it. It's a thing. So what is the pronoun of the ball? It. Deepan could not catch the ball. He dropped it. Next one, is this pencil box yours? The correct sentence is this pencil box yours? Yes, the children are getting bored. Them should go out and play. The children are getting bored. They should go out and play. What is the pronoun of the children? They. See, next one, I would like you to come with I to the library. I would like you to come with me to the library. See, next one, fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the box. Is this pen yours or mine? Will you please keep the bag there? Will you please keep the bag there? Next, there are many toys in the shop. I wish I could have a few of them. That means toys. Please come on page number 39. That book is mine. Please give it to me. See, next, Chirag and Falak are going to the craft museum. They are so excited. They means Chirag and Falak. That is the pronoun of Chirag and Falak. Next, the garden looks lovely. It is full of flowers. What is the pronoun of the garden? It. That because it is the name of place, the garden. It shows the place. So the pronoun of the place is it. The garden looks lovely. It is full of flowers. It means the garden. Next, replace the underlined nouns with the suitable pronouns and rewrite the sentences. We saw a banyan tree. The banyan tree was huge. It is in this sentence we can see the repetition of the noun, the banyan tree, the banyan tree. So to avoid this repetition, what we have to do? We have to use the pronoun of the banyan tree. What is that? It. We saw a banyan tree. It was huge. Next, Adi and Riya said that Adi and Riya were going to the park. In this sentence also we can see the repetition of the noun Adi and Riya, Adi and Riya. So we have to use the pronoun of Adi and Riya. What is that? They. Adi and Riya said that they were going to the park. Next, is Mrs. Lee here? This parcel is for Mrs. Lee. So what is the correct sentence? Is Mrs. Lee here? This parcel is for her. So we have to use the pronoun of Mrs. Lee. Next, Agam loves walnuts. Agam has walnuts every day. See, In this sentence also we can see the repetition. Agam. Agam loves walnuts. He has walnuts every day. What is the pronoun of Agam? He. So, next one, last one. Hima and I are 9 years old. Hima and I are friends. Here also we can see the repetition. Hima and I, Hima and I. So, to avoid this repetition, we have to write the pronoun of Hima and I. What is that? We. Hima and I are 9 years old. We are friends. Dear students, I hope you all have understood this exercise. Have a nice day. Thank you.